Hello Team Bloom, how are you guys doing today? It is May and this is our Team Bloom newsletter video edition, number 2. And so this is all of our statistics and everything from April. I want to celebrate, encourage, and reward you guys. This is Simba, the newest member of the Bakazan family. He wants to say hi. He's tired, so he's probably going to sleep. But I thought you guys would want to see him because he's too cute. And he's helping us through this deployment. So, best thing we did so far for getting through this deployment. All right, so our team stats for April. We had team sales of $11,479, which is awesome. Last April, we were a little bit higher, but it was a fantastic month, and I'm really proud of all of you. We did fantastic. We had 2 recruits as a team, and we had 21 parties in April, which is like blowing my socks off. Okay, PV, who are our Kilo Club members this month? Debbie Harbin, who has been with me since like the very beginning. She was my very first team member way back in 2011 when I started, and she had a phenomenal fundraiser that helped her have PV of $2,479. And then we have Amy Bright, who has $1,264. And Jenny Rosine, who is new and been just like gangbusters, $941. Congratulations. I had to give Jenny a shout out, even though she didn't quite hit that $1,000 mark. She did hit $1,000 during her first Start Swell period. So, party animals, who had the most parties this month? I like to recognize anyone who had 2 or more parties. Jenny Rosine and Debbie Harbin both had 3. And Lori Lamp, way to go Lori, coming back with 2 parties, and Brooke Brown with 2 parties. Great job, ladies. And then Jenny Kachowski had a recruit this month, so in April. So excellent job, Jenny, on growing your team. I think that's 2 now. We'll get them both qualified, and you will be a senior consultant, Jenny. Okay, Start Swell is our next thing we like to recognize. And we have Jennifer Walton, who reached level 3 in her Start Swell. Great job, Jennifer. And Jenny Rosine reached level 1. And I think she may have already reached level 2 as of the filming of this video. But in the month of April, she definitely hit level 1. He's got the hiccups. I don't know if you guys can see that. She's bouncing around in my arms. I also want to welcome our 2 new team members that joined us in April. We have Sherry Bennett, who I met way back in my Kuwait days, and she's currently living in Germany and has just joined our team and is going to be kicking off doing her launch party here, I think this coming weekend. So good luck to you, Sherry. And Nina, and if I get your last name wrong, Nina, I'm sorry, Palmatier is joining us, and she's Jenny's new recruit, and she's also in Korea, I believe. So welcome to you, ladies. Thanks so much for joining Team Bloom. Please let me know if you ever need anything. I'm here for all of you. Okay, the next thing I want to celebrate is those of you who are registered for conference. We have Debbie Harbin going into Denver, and we have Jenny Rosine and Amy Bright coming and joining me in Columbus. I cannot wait to see the 2 of you. And Debbie, I am so bummed that I don't get to see you. You're coming to conference this year, and I don't get to see you. But I know you're going to have fun, and you're going to get to see Melissa Karnowski and all of the other Ladybugs, which is our UP team. You'll get to see them, Debbie, and you'll have a blast. Okay, I want to talk to the few other people here who have lots of conference stars and aren't registered for conference yet. Beth Bortree, you and I have chatted about this, but you do have 9 stars, and you do have $200 off of registration, and you can still go to Columbus. So I know it's complicated, but I need to throw that out there. Jennifer Walton, you have 9 stars, and you have $200 off registration, and you could go and join Debbie out in Denver, and I know that she would love to have another Team Bloom member there with her. And then we have Kim Prey with 7 stars, Brooke Brown with 6 stars, and Lisa Mills with 4 stars. You all have $100 off of registration, and you can still register to go to Denver. Columbus is closed to registration as of right now. You can get on a wait list, but you ladies can register and go out to Denver. And like I said, Melissa Karnowski, who's our upline and my direct report director, she recruited me, is going to be there. She's phenomenal. Lots of the other directors that I personally know are going to be there, and they would take you guys in and take care of you. So think about it. That's a really great opportunity to get some girl time and some training and hear some phenomenal speakers. If you haven't checked out all the speakers that are coming to National Conference, you need to check it out. Some pretty cool people coming. And Hillary Hunsinger, I'm going to give you a quick little shout out because you have 3 stars and $50 off of registration, but you live right down the road, my girlfriend. You need to be going to conference. We'll talk. Okay, register by the 31st for conference. Now I want to talk to you guys about CNC. Our Celebrate and Connect meetings are coming up. They're held June 14th through the 21st, and you can register between now. The registration is open now till May 22nd. I'm going to be in Wisconsin during that time, so I'm actually holding a CNC up in Wisconsin, and I know that a few of my Wisconsin girls are going to come up and see me, and I cannot wait to do that. Please make sure you register for those CNC events. The upside is you get a phenomenal new product. You always get a great amenity, but you also get some phenomenal training, and you get to connect with other ladies who are in 31, and it really helps. I hope you all are pushing this amazing sale that they have going on right now. It's great. I have a lot of customers who are really excited about it and getting those orders in. Make sure that you are advertising it. Make sure you're reaching out and that you are putting that out there in any ways that you can. I would urge you, though, to remember what our social media rules are. If you're not sure, go and check our consultant guidebook. You can find it on TOT under the toolbox, and you can look in the contents and look for social media, and you'll find out what you can do there. But within the restrictions of social media, please make sure you are getting that information out there. They're $10 and $20, and it can count towards your $31 purchase to get one of the thermals for 50% off this month. So that's a really great deal. Okay, the other thing I want to talk to you about is Facebook parties. I don't know how many of you are doing Facebook parties yet. If you're not, you need to start doing them. I started doing them, I guess, in spring, maybe late winter, and it's been phenomenal for me. Parties here for me have been harder. It seems like people are busy. It's DC, and it's harder to get people to come out and do things, so I started trying to do these Facebook parties. My PV is about the same as a regular home party. I have usually $400 to $600 as my Facebook parties. They take me an hour in front of my computer, and I don't have to do any data entry. You know, when you go into a party and you collect all these orders and you've got all this paper, you have to come home and you have to input it. When you do a Facebook party, everybody orders online. So really, I'm doing an hour in front of the computer as I do the party in my pajamas, usually with a glass of wine, and that's it. And then I hang out online for an hour, do the party, and then a few days later, I get the hostess's information, I input her information, and within 15-20 minutes, I'm done. And that's it. So the investment of time versus the amount of money that I make is huge. I mean, it's way efficient to do these Facebook parties. If you are not sure how to do that, if you want more information about it, please let me know. I would be happy to do a Facebook training or do a mock party for all of you, and we can all jump online and do a mock party. I have also seen good bookings. I'm usually getting 1 to 2 bookings from every Facebook party that I do, and really, it's working. It really is working, ladies, and I would encourage you, if you are struggling with getting bookings or you're not sure how to get your business rolling, just try getting some Facebook parties going. And then the other thing I wanted to let you know is I just kind of teased it a little bit. I am going to Wisconsin for the summer. We have a cottage on a lake, and since my husband is deployed, we're spending the entire summer there. We leave here June 1st, and we will not be back in the DC area until mid-August. Why this is important to you is because while we're there, we completely unplug. We barely have cell phone service. We have no TV. We have no internet. None of that. So I will be a little bit more absent from our group page than I normally am. I'd ask for you guys to support each other. My parents live right down the road. They do have internet. I will be checking in once or twice a week. But please know that I am always here. I will update you guys with a good phone number that will, that you can get me. Please leave me a message if I don't answer, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But I know that Facebook is usually the best way, an email, to get me. It probably will not be the best way to get me for the summer. So just continue to know that I'm there. I'm going to be continuing to work my business, doing a few Facebook parties at my parents' house. My mom and my mother-in-law are doing parties for me. So know that I'm here for you, but I'm going to be a little bit more hard to reach. But that's what's really important for our family, is to take those summer months and kind of reconnect and recharge and relax and unwind a little bit. So I wanted to let you guys know that. You'll hear that a lot more times from me so that you are ready for my absence. I think that is it for today. All right, now my goal is to keep it under 10 minutes, and there we go. Way to go, Team Blue. I'm proud of you.